First, let's start by importing the Pandas library. Reading out CSV file using pd.read_csv. Then, let's check the column types by using dtypes. And preview the first few rows by using head. Here we can see the data types of each column. And below that, we can see the top 5 rows of our dataset. Now, let's convert the CSV file into a Parquet file. We'll use the toParquet function and give it a file name. Now, let's convert the CSV file into a Parquet file. Great, the Parquet file has been created successfully. Parquet is a binary format that stores data in columns, making it faster and more efficient when working with larger datasets. We'll see more of that in the next video.